everyone, today we're gonna teach the drones about time. You know, a lot of people don't know how to read the time, but Uno's smart, so I know we're going to get it really quick, and then we can get ice cream. Yeah, you guys really are smart. Let's fix it. Before we teach the drones, first we need to build a clock. When the short hand and the long hand point on a number, then that's how we tell the time. Oh, see them there? Uno see them? The short hand and the long hand? Nice. Well, you see this hand is the long hand. This is the long hand. The long hand. The long hand. Hey, this is the long hand. The long hand. The long hand. Hey, this is the long hand. The long hand. The long hand. Hey, the really long hand. Hey, great man. And you see this hand? This is the short hand. 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 I am not short though, but this is the short hand. See, so you have a long hand and you have a short hand. So, what we're going to do now is to tap on the long hand. Go on, tap on the long hand. Great job. See, you guys really are smart. Now, it's time to tap on the short hand. Whoops, looks like the drone didn't get to see. Could you tap on the short hand again? Great job, everyone. Yeah, man, we're not really doing it. Now, when you finish teaching the drones where the long hand and the short hand is, then come back so we can teach them some more and then get some ice cream. Let's fix it.